Hello, I'm Christine Edwards, and here at the Pentecostals in Colfax, Brother Compton is here with us in revival preaching, and the Spirit of God has moved, and He called me out, and He prayed for my eyes, and my eyes is totally healed. Where I was blind, now I can see, and prayed for an infirmity in my stomach, which I've been suffering many years. And I was laying on the floor, and I just felt the power of God is still performing surgery in my stomach, and things began to break loose in my body with infirmities that I've been suffering for many years. And now I feel like I'm made whole through the night. Woo! Woo! Every bit of the pain that was up on me is gone. My knee was hurting, but I didn't say nothing because it was gone. When I went down, everything left. It had to go in the name of Jesus. Thank God for a man of God with a willing vessel. I say, if you walk, if you believe with Him, it shall be done. Jesus shall do it all.